shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Good morning, everyone. Happy senior moving day. I cannot believe this day is finally here. The summer has flown by. I'm finishing packing up my house here at home, and then I'm moving into my current apartment that I had last year. So I'm not like moving brand new. I'm just bringing, my clothes, honestly still a bunch of stuff, to my apartment that has just been sitting there over the summer. Oh, and I almost left my Apple Pencil. I have myself some leftover Starbucks from yesterday. I rarely get Starbucks, honestly, but I was just craving it. And I got the oat milk, brown sugar, shaken espresso, and it's pretty good. I'm wearing this Powderpuff Girl shirt from Princess Polly, and then underneath it, I'm wearing my Set Active shorty little bodysuit in polo, and I just wear a little t-shirt on top, and you got a sports bra, tank top, and biker shorts all in one. So and the fabric is so freaking comfy. So I know I'll be comfy driving my 3-hour drive to Nashville. So I'm gonna finish packing up. I still got a lot to do. I wanted to leave at 9, but it's like already 8:15, so we'll see what happens. All right, we're in the car. I've already driven about an hour and a half. I stopped and got a smoothie from Smoothie King. Remember like when we thought this was healthy, and now there's like the green smoothies, the green juices, all of that. But Smoothie King is still really good. I've only gotten this one drink my whole life, even when I was a kid. I get the chocolate lean one, add strawberries, and it's like a chocolate covered strawberry protein shake. I don't have any food at the apartment, obviously, and I'm gonna wait to go grocery shopping till like a little bit later today. So let me get something now so I'm not super starving when I get to the apartment and I can start organizing. So cute. Our apartment is so cute. The drive was not too bad at all. It actually went by pretty quickly. It's a little rainy here, but my mom mentioned that this air has been kind of static in here, so I opened up our windows and door, and I'm gonna turn on my fan. And this is what my room looks like. Last time I was here, I did come here once over the summer. This is our new table we got. I came and I set it up in July. And it is so cute. It's from Overstock, and we just needed a little other dining area, another place to sit and do work when we work from home. So I'm really excited to have this. But this is gonna be organized and looking great. Yeah, this is gonna be looking a lot better. Got my shower, and then my closet. I got a shoe organizer. My closet was looking so disorganized because I had my shoes all over the place. So we have a shoe organizer. So that's looking a lot better. Packages secured. My new lamp is in there, even though that box was really light. Actually, 3 of them are PR boxes, and then my Nespresso coffee pods I just got sent here. So I'm gonna open up these because I just can't wait, and then we're gonna move all my furniture in. I'm actually so pumped with these PR products. I have been wanting to try the Living Proof hairspray for years, and I almost bought it like last month and I didn't, but they sent me it, so I'm so happy I didn't buy it. And also this company, Vega More, sent me a bunch of their hair products. So more dry shampoo, conditioner. Like I am not gonna be out of hair products for a long time. Serum, gummies, so excited. And then Papa and Berkeley is a CBD company. All new products to have stocked up here. So very excited. I have made a mess. I'm going to show you guys my lamp I got in just a second once I get it set up, but I made a mess. So yeah. All right, next up, we are gonna try to clean this bathroom. I wanna simplify it, maybe even get rid of like this organizer and just like not have any products really, except a select few out on my counter. And if I could just organize this, I think it could save me a lot of room and would be good. My towels go on that bottom, and I can put a lot of makeup here, but then like organizing the top shelves and all of that would be good. This fuel is needed. Watching some YouTube. Also, one of my pet peeves though about Chipotle, I mean it's delicious, but why do they put the lettuce on top? Like I want the lettuce on the bottom like a salad does, because it makes sense to not have the lettuce straight on top. But I got lettuce, their fresh tomato salsa, fajita veggies, cheese. And it's supposed to be a guacamole, but I don't see guacamole. But oh well, I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh, I got chicken, brown rice, and black beans as well. Enjoy this and refuel before I keep organizing. I was very hungry. On to the next bin. All right, so I'm gonna start updating the bedroom. I have my new decor I need to set up. I wiped down the surfaces, clean the mirrors. I am going to be getting some art prints for the room, which I think I'm gonna do over here, like opposite of the bed. I think I'm gonna do the art prints there, but that will be probably coming in later this week. But I'm so excited to set up my desk area. I gotta get my new desk chair in here. This is my new light that I think is the cutest thing. So I'm gonna set that up right here and probably focus on my nightstand. And I'm wondering if maybe I should move my full-length mirror right here and take that down. So we're gonna see,
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think.
All right, we made some changes. I moved my full-length gold mirror over here to this corner. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'm gonna wait and get Lucy's opinion. I'd say table so far. Jimmy gave me this as a gift. It's Centennial Park, which is here in Nashville, and he wrote the lyrics to Invisible String, where Taylor Swift mentions Centennial Park. It's so cute, and it actually matches really well with the black. So cute little bubble candle, my lip balm. I think this will be a good setup for now. I may change it, but we will see. Now I'm gonna work on my desk. I do have this huge blank wall here now. They still have not painted my walls, which is annoying, from my leak like that happened in February. But I think I'm gonna put my big frames that are supposed to come in on Wednesday here. I think that would look amazing on this big blank wall. But now I'm going to work on my desk. It needs to be organized. I have a box full of stuff. I also have my little LED lamp, which I think is going to be so cute on that wall right there. So we'll get all that set up.
Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step in.
So much cleaner, as you can tell. I just have this little photo of me and Lucy I put in that frame. I put all of my makeup brushes in like this clear thing. We'll see if this gets dirty easily or not. My white soap dispenser, my new white organizer from Home Goods, my new little organizers from Target. I put cotton balls and Q-tips in there, and I haven't put anything in here yet. These are our new hair vitamins from that PR company from Vegamore, which I just opened their box, and it's cute. I'm definitely feeling tired, so I think I'm gonna take a break from all of the organizing once I put my bedding on. and I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and do some grocery shopping and for myself, and Lucy sent me her list so I can pick up some things from her for her as well. All right, we got 4 bags full of groceries. Cost me about $135, which is a lot, but it's honestly not that bad for like stocking up on dressings, olive oil, like literally everything. So I'm going to unload. I'm not going to give you guys a haul because this video is long already, and it was just, I got so much stuff it would take too long. I was sitting down my new olive oil dispenser and I chipped it right away. You can't really notice, but that kind of sucks.
Like there was this kind of white space, so that's where the idea of the mask started, and then kind of
I'm really proud that I just moved this chair from my car and through 2 doors. Oh, it's so cute. It does look kind of, let me see here. I feel like it looks very big this way. I like pulled my arm out of socket. Great. Oh wait, I'm not sure if it works or if it looks too big. Ignore that chair and the lamp there. Does it look too big though for like right here? Oh, I'm gonna move it around and kind of see what we think. Okay, I'm done for the night. I'm watching Gilmore Girls. And then for dinner, I made a piece of sourdough toast with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, pre-made chicken from Trader Joe's, so nice, on top of lettuce and some dressing, and a little dinner while I relax. Good morning. It is the next day. I have a lot more energy after getting a good night's sleep. It is 11 a.m. Sunday, and I've already worked out, made myself a healthy breakfast, uploaded a video, my Sunday reset routine. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. It was a recent video. Today's goal is to do some cleaning, like deep cleaning the apartment, wiping down surfaces more in the kitchen and living room, and vacuuming. Lucy and I may rearrange some things. She is here, by the way. I picked her up at like 8:30 p.m. last night at the airport, and she is here now. She'll be in the vlog in a second, but so I think this is what I'm settled on for now. I put my desk up against this wall and I'm liking that. And then kept this chair over here. I'll get a big print for the wall. And then I moved these little bookcases that we had stacked as 3, moved them side by side, and I'm gonna fill those up. And then out here, Lucy moved her bookshelf out of her bedroom. So we put it right here in this little out cave, and it fits perfectly. So we're gonna fill this up. Oh, do you wanna be in the vlog? Yay!
so excited.
So we took all our glasses off and stuff, but I'm gonna vacuum and then we're gonna organize that. So taking a break from the cleaning and organizing to go to a blogger event. Well, it's kind of like a little fashion pop-up event that I was just invited to. And I was like, you know what? One day back in Nashville, and I'm already getting to go to my little events, which is so fun because we just don't have that back home. So I got ready. Lucy went to the grocery store, but I wanted to show you my outfit because I think it's so cute. So also, do you see our bookshelf in the back? Here is this little dress. Is from Zara. It's like very tight, which is a little out of my comfort zone, but I think it's cute. And then I have this top, which I got in May from Vici Dolls beachy. It's so cute, and I just did the little buttoning of the top. And then my bag is gift from my boyfriend, Coach, my cute little Coach bag. I added the long strap to it because I didn't want to have to be like worrying about having it on my shoulder or swinging it, so that'll be nice. And then my shoes, these have been my go-to summer sandals for 2 years now. It's from a boutique on a little beach, so I cannot get them for you, but they are just these platform nude. We will come back to the college move-in very soon. I'm now in the car with Lucy, and we are going home decor shopping at Home Goods and Target. I've already been there a lot for this summer, but we're back. Lucy wants to get some things. I need a few little things, and so I thought I would take you guys along. Little shopping trip and see what we find. Okay, I kind of need just a cream pillow. All the fall pillows are so fun. This one could be cute, or maybe too yellow. Okay, so we got back from Target late and I was too tired to kind of talk, but I got this black pillow that I actually ended up putting on my bed, and then I put the pillow that was on my bed in the chair, and I really liked it. Then from Home Goods, I got this gigantic candle for only $13, and it smells like oats and honey and kind of fallish, and I thought it looked really cute in this corner, trying to figure out if I should keep it facing forward or take the sticker off and just have the white showing. Let me know your thoughts, like with everything in this video. And then I couldn't stop, and at Target I got another little candle because it was very small and it smelled like coffee, like a latte, and I just thought it was so cute. And I'm trying to stock up on candles now because then I can have the whole fall to burn them. And then the next day I did vlog, but it would literally just be a bunch of boring cleaning shots, so I thought I would condense it down to the end of this day. So I bought a bunch of cleaning supplies from Publix and went to town cleaning and deep cleaning our entire apartment. I mean, I cleaned the sink, I cleaned the garbage disposal, I even cleaned our dishwasher, I cleaned our stovetop, I cleaned the bathrooms and the toilet, and I even cleaned our washing machine with bleach for our laundry, and it was just a lot of cleaning stuff I have never cleaned before, like a dishwasher and a washing machine. But I hope you guys enjoyed this long move-in process vlog. I hope it was entertaining at the least, and don't worry because a first week of school, week in my life video will be coming up soon. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!